Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to install Valorant. So open up your browser first, the search panel, type playvalorant.com. Now click on play free. Make sure that you sign into your account. If you don't have an account, make one, then sign in. After signing in, click play free again. Click on download. Set up a directory you want the download files to go. After the download is done, click on install Valorant. Click run. Now the install prompt will come. In the advanced option, you can select the install path and then click on install. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.